My name is Azim. So this is called the dosa chop. The pancake is made with lentils and rice blended together. The filling is potatoes, onions, corianders and chutneys. And you get sieve, which gives it a crunchy texture. It's made from chickpea flour. So it's gluten-free, vegan. Can be non-vegan as well if you want to add cheese to it, which is paneer, the Indian version. There you go, Phil. After you. And this is our most famous masala chai. It's brewed in a traditional Indian way, authentic, with cardamom, ginger, sugar, and black tea. And we mainly do vegetarian food, so it's a fusion of North and South India. We do dosas, which is gluten-free, and we do samosa chaat and egg kati roll, which is the non-gluten version.
My name is Gyan. This is Borough Market, and we are the only people doing vegan food in this market. So we have three vegan options. We have a mung dal lentils. This is black beans, and we have potato with fenugreek leaf, and we have a cabbage with green peas. This is black lentil. This is like the member of the lentil family. The lentil family have so many lentils, big one, green one, yellow one. This is a black one. It's called mung dal. Mung dal, and this is a potatoes with fenugreek leaf, and this is cabbage with the green peas. Normally all three curries comes together with a white basmati rice. If you want, I can show you the portion how I done. Yeah, every day we selling like maybe 200-300 boxes. So I'll show you how to do one. Yeah. So we start with rice. We have three options. Three curries comes with rice. We have white basmati rice. Let me show you. This is our rice. Yeah. Then we put potatoes. This potato mixed with fenugreek leaf. And then we come to cabbages. Cabbages with green peas. And last thing is mung dal. And we put garnish like chili on top and some coriander. And we put raita. This is a cucumber with yogurt. And this is dates and tamarind. This is sweet and sour sauce. Very good. So many people like it. Basically, this is our thali triple box. This is our most selling product in this stall. Every day we sell more thalis than other things. And we got an onion bhaji. This one. So this onion bhaji made with chickpeas and onions, gluten-free and vegetarian. This is very popular thing in this. Would you like to add any chili, coriander?
Yeah, thank you.
Any sauce, tamarind sauce, yogurt sauce?
Yogurt sauce, please?
Yeah.
That smells so good.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy.
Let's do it, guys. Guys, it's 1 o'clock, and we all know what time it is. It's Dolma Sundays. 1 second. So every Sunday we reveal this iconic dish, family classic, one pot. When it's ready, it's ready. Stuffed onion shells, stuffed vine leaves, stuffed peppers, lamb ribs, slowly cooked in one pot. And this is how we do it at the dinner table back home. So it feels like you're in my home. You ready?
Let's go.
Right, ring the bell, somebody. Nilesh, over to you, man. Right, you guys are hungry. And let's go. Wait. Whoa. Woo. There's a few casualties, but we're there. Right, guys, so if you just queue up on this side, Nilesh is going to take your order. I'm getting a nice steamer here. We're good to go.
Okay, two, yeah, thank you.
It's looking delicious, man.
Habibi. Jael?
Sorry? 2 minutes.
Jael? That's why we got the tin foil
tin
down.
foil.
Jael? Jack? There you go. How many is that? Two, yeah?
Two, yeah, two. If you go there, that's the card, I don't know.
Ryan?
So each plate gets a
Mixed
bit of
with
everything.
one
Yeah?
onion shell, one pepper, and vine leaves.
Amazing.
Yeah, man, and a bit of ham.
Rehan!
You got to.
Yeah.
Mixed chili. Thank you.
One piece.
Okay, yeah, one, yeah. Thank you.
Jiba, where you at? How many, my darling?
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Some lemon there if you want some, man.
Thank you.
Brother, enjoy it, man.
Yes.
One more, Jiba, one more.
How you feel, my man?
It's relief now. It's just getting through the crowds, making sure everyone's happy. And then what's lovely is that the crowds get bigger every week, so it's fucking a beautiful thing. My darling, come back for Kanafa. Yeah.
2 halib, 2 potato, please.
Yes, brother, I'm all good, man. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, yeah. And then please.
Nice Sunday go to you on here now.
Yeah.
Give me some extra lamb, right, for you.
Thank you.
So did you like them? Did you stop?
So this is can I film? Is that right?
She's really good. She's teaching Yeah. So we've got the immune boost, which is lemon, honey, ginger, and we've got the crimson rhubarb. So that's apple juice, quince, rhubarb, raspberries, and we put allspice, cinnamon, star anise in this one. These ones are on cover. We've got the spiced Caribbean, which is pineapple juice, coconut cream, cardamom, cinnamon, and vanilla. And then this one is the mulled fig. So that one is whole cranberry fig, star anise. What else? Cinnamon, allspice, and cloves. And that's the hot juice.
You know, for who? For the girl. For the girl.
Trying to pay the chicken up. I don't fold under pressure. Very good. But there's no seats anywhere. Borough Market, innit?
Yeah. Like, it's going to spill all over me in a minute.
Good.
To be fair, this is my first sort of time trying it. I've lived here for about 6 months and I haven't been here before, so...
I only go here, like, in that shop there. But a few times, they got quite nice places as well. So, depends on what kind of, like, street food you want. But I think fresh seafood, this is the best.
Definitely go for them sauces there.
That's good. Sweet and sour.
4? Right there. Guys having a nice day out?
Lovely, yeah,
Just got here, my snacks, that's all. Thank you.
Paying by card?
Cash, please.
Cash.
Cash, yeah.
Let's put the drinks.
Thanks, get your change, mate. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
And some mayo, please.
You get that one as well?
I guess.
Cheese for an extra pound?
Whenever you're ready. Can you cut it in half?
I can't cut
You can.
Tomatoes, pickles. Yeah.
Who's next?
Chili sauce garlic.
Can I have God?
Sorry?
Can I have God?
Yes, same.
Oh, you have it? Lemonade? You're waiting on chicken, aren't you? You're waiting on the chicken? Yeah. You want ice? Yeah.
Got the chili on top.
Is the lemonade? Waiting to order? Yeah, yeah. Are you ordering the note? Yes, this one.
There you go, madam. So,
Next, please. Who's next? My whole three, no chips. 1, 2, no plate. I have my three order, no chips, and 2 no plates. Okay? Yes, sir. Sir, veggie burger. We cook in the same grill. We cook in the meat. Okay. Auntie. Wow,